Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math. We're going to be solving this math problem right there on the screen. But as we proceed, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and that is basically one of the ways you support what we do right here. Okay, so moving on, I can actually write these 64 here as 2 power 6. Okay, and then all raised to power this 5 over here. And then minus 2 power 6 for this 64, all raised to power 3. And now I can actually also write this as 2 power 6 multiplied by 5. Okay. And then minus 2 power 6 multiplied by 3. Okay. So that if I multiply this is now 2 power 13 minus 2 power 18. Okay. And then I can actually write this 30 here as 2 power 18 plus 12. And this minus this one, 2 power 18. And one of the rules of indices actually say that when you have a power b plus c, you can actually expand this as a power b and then multiply by a power c. So using this rule, I can actually expand this as 2 power 18 multiplied by 2 power 12 and then minus 2 power 18. So that you can see that I've got 2 power 18 common. So I can factor it out, 2 power 18 into here I have 2 power 12 minus 1 over here. Okay. So that when I proceed, this is 2 power 18 into, I can actually write this 2 power 12 here as 2 power 10 plus 2. Okay. Minus 1. Moving on, this is 2 power 18 into, so using the same rule of indices I applied here, so this is now 2 power 10 multiplied by 2 power 2. Okay, minus 1. And then moving on, what I will be having is 2 power 18 into 2 power 10 is actually 1024. And then multiplied by 2 power 2 is 4 minus 1. Okay, so moving on, I have 2 power 18 into 1024 multiplied by 4. Here will be 408096. Okay, 4096. And then minus 1. So what I have is 2 power 18 into 4095. Okay, so to simplify this, I can actually write this 2 power 18 as 2 power 10 plus, let me write this 8 as 4 and then plus 4. Okay, multiply by 4095. So moving on, this is applying the same rule of indices I applied earlier on. So this is now 2 power 10 multiply by 2 power 4. Okay, and then multiply by another 2 power 4. And all of these will multiply by 4095. So what I'm going to be having, 2 power 10 is 1024. Multiply by 2 power 4 here is 16. Multiply by 2 power 4 is another 16. And all of these multiply by 4095. So this is 1024. Multiply by 16 times 16 will be 256. Okay. And then multiply by 4096. So when you do all of this multiplication, what you're going to be having is 1073, 479, and then 608. And this is actually going to be the value of the expression we just solved. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.